Hello. So, welcome back. Wednesday, September 24th. Yesterday I talked about a very bad day I had yesterday and very low process score, very low P&L. It's a really small change, but now you can have these floating quick actions here for journal entry, trades and missed trades as well, just in case. Okay? So something I add to today. So let's go to the pre-market analysis, starting again with the top-down analysis. Hide everything else. Let's start monthly up. 500. Yesterday I was trading around that level. Not so much fun. So let's quickly up. So yesterday at the end was a red day. Okay. So, but as I said yesterday, we're super far away from ADMA, so still. Okay. Prior day action. For that, I'm going to 30 minutes. Wow. You know, yeah, I traded 2 minutes. The 2 minutes is my trigger chart. And when you see the half an hour, yeah, you see accumulation here. It's actually the volume point of control is around there when I was trading. Gosh. Then, voila. One time framing down. Took prior day low. It closed inside that day, so we have that's why we have a balance actually right now. But yeah, so yesterday Hertz, double C, curd. VWAP value was overlapping to down. You see. So this means, of course, emotional trading, a lot of impulse, then found buyers at the bottom. Okay, and we can see a lot of accumulation during the overnight session yesterday, a lot of volume, then push down, volume, push down, volume. We have again singles, and now I go into showing this, which is very interesting. I didn't trade it well, but it's interesting to see. This was the singles area I marked from the day before. That was covered also look at this, the anchor VWAP, and then bam, wow. Yeah, I was trading too big so that I couldn't hold the shorts there, which was my target around this area, and which happened to be reached, but yeah, I was not there anymore. So this is gone. This structure is repaired with a lot of volume. You see, it was so low volume here. The volume point of control now is there. Very interesting. Very interesting. And then just the value area high. Overnight high now is down here, which is, so the whole, yeah, we are talking about the overnight session in a moment, but yeah. So yesterday's high was around here. I mean the RTH, right? Which is nice, a bit odd, because I take the values normally as inside the RTH session, but this case is different due to a lot of volume at the highs. Yeah. So this actually got taken out. It's one point of control. Now move down. This value area low is at the settlement. Again, this is just emotional trading. The 70% volume value area is not, I shouldn't take it with so much consideration. Okay, yesterday's low was there, but now it's down here. So overnight low was taken out. The overnight high yesterday is even a weaker reference now, because it was at the all-time highs. Okay, that is important. Okay, this is the RTH VWAP. Okay, so yeah, I did that. So overnight session. Long, most of that has happened about the settlement. Side value. Down. Okay, what else? Let me mark the anchor VWAP. Anchor VWAP, this one was already taken out, even though this is also a nice nuance, right? It's acting as a resistance. Support yesterday, now it's resistance. Interesting, huh? Technical analysis. Not moving averages, not crossovers, not Fibonacci, but the auction, the volume. That's very, very important for me. Okay. So then I go to the 2 minutes. So rollover OPEX. No, not the end of the month. So the ATR is actually a bit high. ATR. I mean, this is just an experience, right? I mean, I cannot give you exactly the amount, what is the average or not, but it's almost around 5 or so, you know. Then you see London session. The VWAP has been so important. Look at this, so important. See, these two VWAPs are almost aligned now. The 2 days running and the previous day. And okay, it was a good try from the VWAP up. They basically failed, but it's bouncing. Volume point of control. Okay, obviously high volume nodes. The 25,000 is a big node. Volume point of control is a big node. This one as well is a decent volume. Was on the way down. Of course, this one here. This whole area is very decent. Okay, I will mark those for now. Okay, and here I really didn't, was like yesterday, 6.5, but actually I feel tired. It's just level 3, method extraction, work and project. Partially. I just got online on the charts, so yeah, partially. So we don't have news, at least from the TradingView widget. We don't see any important news for today. Yes, ready. Let me just go back to any levels of the market profile that maybe I can mark, because was the one time frame down that is clearly here. So maybe we have some singles again. Actually here is visible. That is why it's so nice, the market profile. And you see excess, see it clearly. Again, we have a double distribution day. If you cut out these two, you have distribution up, distribution down. The opposite that in the day before. Very interesting, huh? Then we have singles here. Singles. Then I have it here, but I won't consider that. I mean, at the end of the session, they tried to fill that up, but yeah. Almost no excess at the bottom, so meaning the auction could continue down, because we do have excess at the top, right? So all-time high was rejected, basically. That is what it's telling us. POC based on TPO is quite close to yesterday's volume point of control. That is good. It's a nice nuance. Let me see my statistics. Lower sleep, higher stress. Yep, very similar than yesterday. Management by partial. Yeah, I'm thinking today, after that big day loss, I'm planning to, if I find a trade, which somehow I manage always to find, to trade 1 micro. So I want to get confidence back, because it was a really tough day yesterday. And you see, I mean, the averages are, yeah, need to be careful, okay? And then I'm going to hope full picture. Okay. And then let's see how it goes. Good luck.